Hello friends, today we are going to talk about top management schools in India under 15 lakh. But first let me give my introduction. I am Nikita from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I'm also pursuing MBA, so as a student of management schools, let me share you something which I always follow during my studies and I recommend you to follow the same. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. It does not matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop. First company we are going to talk about is IIT Delhi DMS, Department of Management Studies. Courses offered by DMS is Executive MBA, Master of Business Administration, PhD in MBA, Executive MBA in Technology Management, MBA in Telecommunication System Management. If you are thinking about doing your MBA under 10 lakh, then you can consider this college. They are offering every 5 course under 10 lakh. If you are thinking you want to do part-time MBA, then they are offering two courses, Executive MBA and Executive MBA in Technology Management, and the other are for full course, Master of Business Administration MBA, PhD MBA, MBA in Telecommunication System Management. If you are thinking of doing your MBA, then you can consider this college because they are offering 5 different courses for the management students, and you can consider any of these courses, and the all our courses are for full time, for 2 years, for 3 years, and under 10 lakh. And the you can consider it because I think that the course they are offering, MBA in Telecommunication System, is very good course because MBA is all about communication, as you know, because you are going to pursue MBA and you should know the communication is the key for the MBA students, and they are offering MBA in Telecommunication, which is best. And I think you can consider one more career if you are doing MBA in Telecommunication, which is journalism. Journalism is all about communication and they'll teach you telecommunication. So I personally think that you can consider this course for if you are interested in journalism too. Companies where DMS students achieve their treasure is Amazon, Deloitte, Wipro, ICICI, OnePlus, RBI. These are some examples I have written here for which DMS offer for their student for get placed. These are well reputed companies, offers very good amount of package to the student of DMS. Every student of management thinking about first think about placement before choosing their dream college, so you can consider this college because all these companies are well reputed, well known, and they will provide you very good amount of package, so you can consider it. The second college we are talking about is BITS Pilani. Courses offered by BITS Pilani is Master of Business Administration, PhD in Management. Fees they are charging is 7.56 for MBA and 78,517 PhD. If you are thinking that you don't have budget and you want to do your MBA from top management schools, then you can consider BITS Pilani because they are giving you PhD in management in less than 1 lakh 78,570 only for 2 years, and also it's also a full-time course, so you can consider. And if you are thinking about companies which uh, which give placement here, then you can consider TCS, IDBI Bank, Central Bank of India, Idea, Vodafone, ICICI Bank. These are some companies which help Pilani students climb the ladder of their success. If you are thinking that you want to do your MBA and want a good reputed well-known profile companies placement package, so you can definitely consider BITS Planet. They are charging you very less and giving you so much more than that. The third company we are talking about is Symbiosis Institute of Business Management, Bangalore. Courses offered by Symbiosis is Master of Business Administration, MBA in Innovation and Entrepreneurship, and Executive MBA. If you are thinking they are charging 17.26 lakh, which is higher than average fees everyone is charging, is then they are offering a part-time MBA for 6.110 lakh, which you can consider. and they are offering it for 6 months extra, so they think that everyone should get the complete knowledge. So they are offering it for 6 months extra, and you can consider this college if you want a very good package and you want a very good reputed company, well known higher company, then you can consider this. Why I'm saying this is the here companies where SIBM students fly for the new direction of their success is IBM, H&M, Dell, Google, Reliance, Future First, Candile, Corn Ferry. These are only few examples I have written here which offers a very good placement in the SIBM. So if you are thinking about your MBA and you want to spend less than 10 lakh, then you can consider executive MBA and you can get placed in these reputed company with a very good profile. The last we are talking about is Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India, Ahmedabad, EDI, Ahmedabad. Course offered by EDI is Post-Graduation Diploma in Management, Entrepreneurship, Post-Graduation Diploma in Innovation, Entrepreneurship and Venture Development, Fellow Program in Management. Fee structure for EDI is residential category is 13.91 and non-residential is 12.31. They are charging the same amount for all three courses. EDI is this a little different from every other top management schools because uh, in here in EDI every student create their own company. Most of students create their own company. They are prefer creating their own venture rather than joining some other companies. When other students busy looking for their job in different other companies, EDI students create their own company. 61% students create their own enterprise, 21% students join their family business, 18% students join social entrepreneurship serving corporate and go to their higher studies. If you are thinking about doing your MBA colleges in top management schools,